Tired of wrestling with messy trailer wiring that hangs loose and risks damage? The Hopkins Mag-Flat 48095 magnetic bracket offers a simple solution to keep your 4-wire flat cable secure and out of harm's way. Designed to attach easily to any metal surface, this bracket ensures your trailer wiring stays clean, organized, and protected during every trip. I installed the Hopkins Mag-Flat 48095 on my vehicle's hitch, and the difference was immediate. Instead of fumbling with a dangling plug on the bumper, the magnetic bracket holds the wiring neatly on top of the hitch. This not only makes plugging into the trailer easier but also keeps the wiring from dragging or getting caught on obstacles. The durable plastic housing and corrosion-resistant terminals mean it's built to withstand the elements and last through countless towing adventures. Installation took just minutes, and the magnetic design means I can remove or reposition it anytime without hassle. What really stands out is how this bracket transforms your towing experience. It's more than just a tidy setup, it protects your wiring from wear and tear, which can save you from costly repairs down the road. If you're serious about keeping your trailer wiring safe and accessible, the Hopkins Mag-Flat 48095 is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to simplify your rigging and tow with confidence.